Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday, 27th of December. This is last week of 2022 and what a euphoric start to this week. In last Market Kya Lagta Hai video on Friday, we spoke about bounces are due and what a stylish way to start off this last week of 2022. Let's take a quick look at my yesterday's message. So yesterday's day began somewhere like this, where I mentioned about daily chart suggests a low being formed. Lows of Friday are important for this week. We may see a bounce for a few days. Trend line will confirm trend of the change of the trend. December so far generated about 25% ROI on total capital. So not in a hurry to trade, no fear of missing out. There may be a bounce for today to create a lower high. The OI suggests bounce till 18,200 and 42,500. No overnight, no positional trades so far will observe. This was my morning message before the market opens. And immediately after market opened, I see, yes. So both the indices printing high wave candle for first 3 minutes. So unless a high or low is taken out, there is no intraday trade on the basis of 3-minute chart. And then this is interesting. I would love to show this on the chart as well. The first trade on the basis of a 3-minute chart got completed in next 15 minutes and was very euphoric kind of a move. Around 9:35 we booked our trade, intraday 3-minute trade, and this went exactly like this. If you go on to 3-minute chart, so this is the first candle of the day. So this is the first candle of the day. Once the high is taken out of this particular candle, the candle which is taken out the high, which is this candle, so your stop loss is going to be low of this candle, and you enter at the closing of this candle and stay in the trade. Just stay in the trade till your target completes. Now what will be your target for a 3-minute trade? Let's say you are entering on 3-minute time frame. You should get 4 to 5 candles, and if you get a 2 consecutive bearish candle, that is when you book your profit, or you keep any trailing stop losses on the basis of a higher low that has been formed. So once a higher low is taken out somewhere here, you can book your positions and move out of the trade. Keep it very simple. These kind of strategies will give you a head start in the beginning of the day, and this is something that will consistently keep you profitable on trending days, not on a dull sideways days. So you have to keep that in mind. Let's move quickly to Nifty chart. In last weekly Market Kya Lagta Hai video, we had discussed about Nifty, and we spoke about 2 different possibilities. One possibility was that the Friday's low will be crucial, and from there we should get a bounce. So bounce it is. Currently it is not going to make a new low, so I'm just removing the option number 2. We are bouncing from here, so naturally Friday's low as well as Monday's low, these lows are critical, important, and for this entire week these lows will keep us in the right direction. So this is how the move is happening. I will still stick to my narrative of bounce up till 18,300 odd level, okay, and from there we should see the next leg of fall. Now why this 18,300 level is critical? Because if you take into consideration the total fall that has happened in the last leg, oh no, this is entire fall, yeah, so this entire fall which started from 1st of December, so if you calculate this fall, there is a 50% retracement. There are 2 possibilities. Now how do we look at these retracements? Let's say if price went on to test the level of 18,300, that tells us that it's a 50% retracement. That indicates there is some more strength left to the bulls. If at all we do not reach to 18,300 or 18,330, and if let's say bulls give up from this level of 18,200, then that will indicate that more pain, more bearishness is likely. So wherever we take a resistance in this uptrend will give us a lot of understanding about this particular trend. Now don't be in a hurry to come to a conclusion. Don't be in a hurry to short the market. So currently whatever is going to happen in this particular trend as well, let's say what we are expecting can be something like, again I'm using my path tool, So from these lows, we may go on to make a high, right? And after making this high, we should again make a new low, something like this, and then we should reach to this high or this high. So this is how the trend should emerge from these levels. This is how it is going to happen. So for this particular period, I would suggest you to avoid positional trades. Okay, whatever you want to trade, you trade intraday and then just make most of this intraday momentum. As it is, we are in the fag end of the year. Typically, we used to see low volumes, lower volatility, but this time around, they have chosen to bring a high volatility. Probably FIIs are working overtime. The participation from retails is at an all-time high. DIIs are participating actively. So volumes are good, volumes are great, and we are seeing some healthy kind of a move in both the directions. So make most of this volatility. So this is how the things are expected for Nifty. As for Bank Nifty, if we quickly look at it. So for Bank Nifty, the bounce again is interesting. Now, there are a couple of mistakes that I have made while I was plotting this range. Number one, I named this range, or I mentioned this range up till 43,500, and actually I have kept it up till 42,200. So I actually did not make any changes in the coordinates, but because we are making changes now, as I understand from open interest data, that this range can be up till 43,000. Upper range can be up till 43,000, and I need to make those changes in the range here as well. So 43,000 is the range. Perfect. So again, this comes to somewhere around 50% retracement mark, and this 50% retracement mark, where see yesterday Bank Nifty's move was very euphoric, 1200 points. We got almost 1200 points here. There was a follow-up message as well here. Right. So Nifty showing running correction on 3 minutes chart. So strong uptrending move possible. 11:36. This is my message. And a similar time, I had posted a message about another 300-400 point move possible in today or tomorrow. This was about Bank Nifty. This was about Bank Nifty, and probably till the end of the day, we got about 600 points up till 250. So this was a fantastic trade which we got, and ideally 1200 points intraday is unimaginable, and from those levels we have almost completed the 50% retracement target. So now it will be essentially important to see how today's action is folding out. Also guys, keep in mind that today being financial Nifty expiry, we can expect some retracement to this yesterday's rally, because you know what happens whenever there is a rally, there will be lot many people, there are lot many retail investors, traders, they will prefer to buy options for today's expiry of financial Nifty, and then they would love the pros will love to trap them, and then the market, they will try to keep the market sideways. It will not be trending like today, but the retail unsuspecting retails will always think about that it will keep on trending just like yesterday, and they must have bought truckload of call options, so they're going to lose on that value. So I will not be surprised if we consolidate or form a little retracement and then move towards upper targets. So that is not at all surprising. So this is what my analysis for Bank Nifty currently. And there are no ongoing trades, there are no positional trades for me right now. Whatever I'm doing is intraday itself. No strategies planned for right now. We will take a look at how this last week is panning out, and probably after Thursday's expiry we may conclude at what kind of a strategy I want to deploy for the next the month of January, and I'll come back to you on that basis. For now, the trades are limited to intraday, not carrying anything positionally. If at all you are selling options and carrying something positionally, then you just ensure that you hedge it adequately. That's the only thing that I want to suggest you. That's it guys. That's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked this video, do share with your like-minded friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.